2025 Honda CR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!